Today, I will be showing you how to change your email on Preply. First, make sure you are logged in to your Preply account. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right side of the screen and click on your profile button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage your personal information. Inside the settings page, look for the email section and click on it. Here, you will see your current email address associated with your Preply account. Next, enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure you type it correctly, as this email will be used for notifications and account verification. Once you've entered your new email, click Save Changes to confirm the update. And that is how to change your email on Preply. Thank you for watching.